In today's video, I'm going to show you VEVOR 270-gallon fish pond review, best budget koi setup in 2026. The VEVOR 270-gallon canvas fish pond is essentially a portable above-ground pond made from reinforced PVC with a stainless steel frame designed to hold roughly 270 gallons, about 1,020 liters of water. Its material triple-layer PVC and a clear viewing panel is meant to be tear-resistant, sun-resistant, and leak-proof, and the stainless frame is advertised as rust-resistant to support the weight of water and fish. It also includes a quick drain valve for easier emptying and cleaning. Early customer reviews on some regional sites are broadly positive, with many buyers appreciating the value for the price. A large pond at a fraction of the cost of custom concrete or liner builds, plus easy setup without tools. The clear viewing window and straightforward installation are frequently mentioned as perks. However, there are important real-world caveats before you commit. First, this type of canvas pond isn't the same as a professionally built impermeable koi pond with liner filtration, UV sterilization, and regulated water chemistry. A DIY or soft-sided pond can work for koi and goldfish if you're prepared to add proper filtration, aeration, and heating, and pay attention to water quality, especially in outdoor or basement settings. Reddit hobbyists note that pond size, filtration, and oxygenation matter far more for fish health than the container alone, and even a 270-gallon setup needs careful planning before adding koi. Second, quality opinions for VEVOR branded products online are mixed. Some hobbyists refer to VEVOR gear as budget or cheap Chinese imports, usable but not always long-lasting compared with pro-grade options, so expect potential wear over time unless you reinforce or upgrade parts. Bottom line, the VEVOR 270-gallon pond is a legitimate, affordable way to start a koi or goldfish setup, especially for beginners or DIY enthusiasts on a tight budget. It's not a scam and does offer a large water volume for fish compared with small tanks. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.